हर एक सांस में, डुबकियों के बाद में, हर भंवर के पास किनारे बह रहे जो साथ में, जो हमारे खास थे, कर गए अपनी बात किनारे। आवारा नदी छलके वो खुल के सनसनाती सनन सनन,
और वो है जीन सा खामोशियों की एक तरंग, ये तरंग।
रिश्ता ये कैसा चलती रेत पाओ का, रिश्ता ये कैसा चलने धूप छाओ का। बोलो अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे। मुट्ठियों में बादलों को लेके वो निचोड़ दे, वो रात की चुप्पी में शोर नटखट छोड़ दे। मुट्ठियों में बादलों को लेके वो निचोड़ दे, वो रात की चुप्पी में शोर नटखट छोड़ दे। बेबाक है बिंदास है, उसे जिंदगी की प्यास है, पास है पर दूरियां मखमली मजबूरियां हैं। अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे।
मन के कमरों में वो खोले खुशबुओं की शीशियाँ, वो साहिलों पे ढूंढता है इश्क वाली सी पिया। मन के कमरों में वो खोले खुशबुओं की शीशियाँ, साहिलों पे ढूंढता है इश्क वाली सी पिया। प्यार है रोमांस है, बस यही साराज है, दो दिलों के दरमियाँ ख्वाहिशों की कश्तियाँ हैं।
अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे। एक आवारा नदी छलके वो खुल के सनसनाती सनन सनन,
और वो है जीन सा खामोशियों की एक तरंग, ये तरंग।
रिश्ता ये कैसा चलती रेत पाओ का, रिश्ता ये कैसा झिलमिल धूप छाओ का। बोलो अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे। अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे। अधूरे तुम अधूरे हम, बिन तुम्हारे।
very inspiring. She inspires me at every point of life, and I would like to quote one line that she once said: "Don't try to fit in, just evolve."
He's a funny guy. He improves the mood during the meets.
हमें वो दिन ना
Hi! So, Sakshi is a very good mentor and she always guided us in the right direction and gave everybody equal opportunities to improve themselves.
So when coming towards Sayam is really fun to be around and he made sure that we make memories in really short time.
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Shraddha is very nice and cute person and she guided us through it.
Nidhi is basically idol of our group and whatever she does, she puts her heart into it and that's one of the reasons we adore her very much.
So Netra, she's very bubbly and lively and she is a person with whom I got attached really effortlessly.
बिगड़े हुए इंसान थे शैतान की संतान थे
Omkar is secretly quite fun. Shruti, she is one of the most funniest HOD I have ever met. Anshu is quite multi-talented. He can dance too. We vibe a lot because we both love anime. Mari is one of the sweetest person and she is always ready to work.
आए जिंदगी में पहले पहले प्यार के दिन थे
One of the best coaches that we have ever had, and she got our backs during any trouble or any problems that we had.
Even though being a single core, she managed everything very well and kept everything on the track.
So that is very nice and helping, and he's just there whenever we need him. He's also very sweet, and it's always fun to be around him, and there's never a dull moment with him.
Hi! Okay, so Nutrit is I think one of the most sweetest person in LA and she's quite protective of her juniors. Most of the reason why we call her our LA mom. So Lakshit is one of the best ones LA could have had and we trusted me enough to get this opportunity which helped me discover myself deeply. Ketan is a very joyful person and he's really fun to be around.
के अपने वो दिन याद है फिल्मों के पुराने आरडी मरमर के
So Smith is a great dancer, and during the flash mob, he did an amazing job with all of us.
Sejal is a very understanding person and she's also very, she's like the mom of our junior group and she's a sweetheart. Harsh is very patient and sweet. वो सबसे बात नहीं करता है ज़्यादा, but when he speaks to us now, he's very friendly.
This Shani is the cutest HOD ever. Like, उसकी आवाज़ is very cute. I know we had थोड़ी problems started, but she's also the prettiest and very good. The best chicken partner ever. उसके टिफिन में हमेशा chicken बहुत tasty होता है.
So he is like the most understanding and patient guy. He is literally like the go-to person for everyone. He genuinely loves and cares for every HOD.
You have always been the one who understands us the most and thank you for being such a great guiding force for us.
तो अदिति के बारे में ये है कि अदिति बहुत ही केयरिंग एंड बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. वो हम लोग को भी मौका देती है कि हम अपने आप को प्रूव करें हर एक सिचुएशन में कि हम कैसे करेंगे और वो हेल्प भी करती है वो सिचुएशन में हमें.
शी इज द गो टू पर्सन. जिसको भी कभी भी हेल्प का जरूरत रहा तो पहले अदिति के पास जाता है और वो खुद से आके भी दूसरों का हेल्प करती है. सो या
About Gayatri, she has been very humble, loving, and she is the backbone of our department.
Talking about Prashaka, she's a very fun person to be around with and the way she pushes everyone to motivates everyone to push their boundaries is commendable.
When it comes to Sejal, she was my co-HOD and she's been so supportive professionally or personally, and we love you also.
जो भी मिले मान लेंगे हम किनारे
Josh is really kind and sweet.
Him is very fun to work with and very fun to be around.
Him is very caring and will always help you when in need.
Shashank is very supporting and one of the best coaches we've ever had.
खुद ही तो है